Like and subscribe. No. Hey guys, this is CJ and welcome to my channel. Today we're here at Montebello Villa Hotel and we are joining the Iluvcebu Instameet and early because it's 11:45. Let's go! Malapit ako sa venue. I'm here at their cafe and just ordered a coffee because I'm still sleepy and I need some coffee to re-energize. Alright. I so need this. Okay, let's go. Ay, muso po to. Business overload. Kaya niinit na 4-eyed cup on. So here's my picture buddy before the Instameet itself will start.
Yes.
The banana man.
Banana man.
Alright.
Mana.
Totes.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm an awkward guy.
May chicks guys. My god. Look, nagising lagi no. Nagising lagi. Yo, ni-email kita. Regards sa Sir Robert.
Sige sa?
Robert.
Ribbons.
One, two, three.
We are the team Buchog.
Thank you, Group 2! Group Bougainvillea.
Ay, natutupad talaga yung pangarap ko na pumunta dito sa
Ay, hilo sila. Pero mag-kailan. It's raining guys, so good luck sa ako ang sip-on ugobo. Yan eh. Free pizzas from Greenwich.
Thank you, Greenwich.
Thank you.
Ang gaon no.
Hey guys, it's almost 6 in the evening and we're still here at Montebello Villa Hotel and everyone is busy editing and uploading their pictures. Hashtag Iluvcebu Instameet, hashtag Iluvcebu. Alright, look who's wearing 4-eyed merch. Woo!
Purchase pa ko sa Red. Yeah, mga next month.
Next month at Nawanan ako At mo sa 4eyedlagan.com/4eyedmerch to place your order.
It's
like and subscribe. Ba. Uy!
It's not good to waste food. Let's not waste food because a lot of children in Africa are hungry. So, come on. Sabay lain diha.
So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next vlog. Share, peace, and love or ride.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.